how did this idea one rupee store came in mind? Basically, the any application store. There are two ways to monetize the application store. One is the free applications, and which is with in-app. Second is the paid applications. So we thought of making all the applications paid with in-app. But this in-app is not something which is very intruding or very, very distracting or very, you get you're upset with the kind of advertisement is being played. It is not something in the video format which we see today in most of the applications. Very static advertisement which we put, and the in-app advertisement which we put was 1 rupee store. So we only promoted 1 rupee store. That's the concept which I was testing. See, as an advertiser, I had in my last 16 years of experience as an advertiser, I always had this problem where most of the ads are being displayed, just 1 second app are being displayed. So I don't think I was able to monetize. The conversion rate was very low, sorry, not slow, it was very low. So what I thought of changing this entire concept. So I gave the permanent placement to the advertiser, and just wanted to see how the monetization, like how it converts into the numbers. And to my surprise, it gave me 100% conversion rate. It was absolutely shocking. And I'm so glad to everyone who connected with us, the advertisers, Lioness and Orlando Football Club, Orlando Soccer City Football Club, and third one was a Bollywood movie. So we are very thankful to all of them to they had a faith in us. They published, they encouraged us, and they thought that we can do something, and we did extremely well. See, I'll tell you the difference between the Lioness as an advertiser and the difference and Orlando Soccer City. So Lioness as an advertiser was based on MLM. So MLM has not been very, the political social environment has changed from last 10 years. When MB was on MLM and became a huge hit under Mr. Sudarshan Banerjee, the CEO of Amway, that time the environment in India was very different. Today in urban, people don't like to interact. They don't like to speak to each other. They don't, even their neighbors don't know about each other in Indian urban in Indian urban segment. So I felt that Lioness will not be a hit here, or even US, if it's not working in India, US is absolute no, because US people are very they don't like this intrusion, which usually sometimes we used to do 10 to 15 years ago in India. So India is following the social the social thinking of USA. So we are following USA, we follow America. So America is absolute no for MLM, and here also it's absolute no. I don't know how, but the person who gave me this advertisement said that it has done extremely well in Europe. So probably the Europe I have not studied, I have not visited, but US and India it didn't work that well. However, on other hand, the Orlando Soccer City, I still remember when I visited Seattle long ago, at around 3:30 IST their time, I came out for food joint. I was looking for a food joint. I didn't get even a single food joint because everyone told me that they are watching soccer match. I was like, that time I didn't know the power of the soccer match. But when I got this ticket sale on 1 rupee store, I didn't know it will do so well. It did so well. It gave me around 5,000 crore INR. So it completely changed the concept. The placement was given to them 100% placement was given to them on 1 rupee store. People came, people had you know bookmarked 1 rupee store. Till date people have bookmarked 1 rupee store, and they go to 1 rupee store and buy the online tickets. So I'm so thankful to everyone at Orlando and Florida. If they are hearing from here, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to serve you, and future we look forward to serve you even better. Thank you.